Good morning, world. This is one of our repeat commercial customers in Lawrenceville, Georgia. As you can see, they got some spots here. There's actually more spots this time than they were there last time, which is a few months ago. They're kind of on a cleaning schedule. So let's knock this out and see how it looks. See all the spots we got here? All right, it's 12:43. It was about a 43-minute job. Commercial, $300. Commercial always pays better than residential. As you can see, all the spots in this office here are gone. Spots in this main lobby area are all taken care of. And it is commercial, so it's pretty much all dry. It dries very, very quickly. Commercial does. JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta or OMG Carpet Cleaning, 770-652-0630. Give us a call. We'll get you started. Have a great day.